All right, guys, this is day 2 of riding. I reset my speedometer, my tripometer to 0 as I take off here. We'll see how far I go. It's 60 degrees. It's a little cool as you're taking off. It's cool. And I'm going to kind of take the same route that I'm used to. I was thinking about going all the way over to my son Jeff's house, which is about, I would guess, 20 miles, and take 2 batteries and come 20 miles back, or have Laura pick me up over there. But if I didn't have a little dog sitting at home, I probably would have done that. But with the dog, I'm not. So anyway, I'm in shorts and a t-shirt. You can't see me, but I'm in shorts and a t-shirt. And it's a little chilly at 60. Probably should, I'm not far from the home, but probably could have and should have brought a little sweater or a little long sleeve shirt, and that would have helped out a lot more. But I figure with the sun coming down, and it's only going to get warmer today, it's just about 12:30, that's my guess, somewhere around 12:30. But, and I'm going to throttle here, right? Well, I'll pedal. But with the, I've got it in 0 through 9, so 5 is halfway, so that's 50%. I'm going to drop it back to 4. 50 is a little much for what I want to do, talking. Anyway, Laura and I came out yesterday, and we just came down here and back and a little bit in the neighborhood, not much, for her real first time taking it for any little distance, which was only 2 miles. She likes the bike. Of course, first real time on it, she's a little skittish, a little nervous, and I get that. But she said she's not going to get rid of her call cough at this point in time because of the size of this bike. It's a big bike. So she definitely sees merits on it, and certainly merits for street riding and stuff like that. She's a little nervous on the trail, but I think that's where she really needs it better, is on the trail. It's going to be, you know, when you're up and down in terms of elevation, this bike is a better bike, even than her call cough. Her call cough's a little different than mine. She seemed to manage up and down, ups anyway, better than me. I'm going to turn down this dirt road here, just for grins. And so I don't know. Yeah, she said she liked it. Now I've got 28 pounds of pressure on my tires. I can feel, you know, this road's got a little bit of loose gravel. That loose gravel's making me move a little bit, but not bad. This is easily better than than my skinny tire electric bike, for sure. I actually, just so you know, I haven't found a reason or a condition that my 250 watt skinny tire bike would be better in. This bike is better in all cases, in my opinion. Well, great, now I'm going to get dirty. I'm going to get on this side of him, make him go on that side of me. Come on. Go that way. Oh, that hurt. Thank you. Yeah, he didn't want to do that. He looked at me like I was crazy. But I didn't want all that freaking dirt on me. Idiot. Oh, here we go. Another. You can see Mount Hood from here, too. It's a very nice day. Right between, this is about the view I get at my house. It's just not as, here, I'll take a picture of it. It's not as tall at my house. The trees cover it a little bit more. I'll kind of show you. This is straight across from my, I mean, if I went straight, that would be straight at my house to where I see it from my house. It's not that big at my house. All I can see is the top, I don't know, 10% of that mountain. Beautiful mountain. Very picturesque mountain here in Oregon. Yeah, a fool thought he was going to get me dirty? You crazy. Yeah, I just told my wife I wanted to, I mean, she went to a luncheon with some girls, some ladies, our friends, and my daughter-in-law, and my granddaughter, and some other people. So about 6 of them went to lunch, and the men weren't invited, and that's okay. I didn't want to go. I knew today was going to be a beautiful day, and I knew if she wasn't prepared to ride a lot yesterday, that I'd ride more today. And I think tomorrow's supposed to be a nice day too. I'm not sure, but I certainly wanted to get out and ride a little bit. Normally, we put my little puppy, you know, who is my puppy, 16-year-old man, dog, little dog, in the utility room when we go off because he's just going to sleep anyway, and he's now in a diaper. But I decided with his diaper on, I'd just let him roam the house a little bit. I'm only going to be gone an hour or two, and I just didn't want to, I don't know, it's more my guilt than his. He enjoys it in there, but it's my guilt. Okay, we're coming off this gravel road back onto the asphalt road, and I think we'll have another little gravel road for a minute. Yeah, the road's a little slick right there. Yeah, I'm doing 10 miles an hour in third, and I think third is about 35% maybe. I'm using all 9 PAS levels. Yeah, also yesterday my wife worked most of the day. She just took a little on her lunch break. We went and tried to ride a bike a little bit because it was so nice. Anyway, that's why we rode what we rode. Well, maybe I turned the wrong way. Yeah, I did. I should have went up the more road. How you doing?
Hi, how are you?
Good. How are you? A beautiful farmhouse, beautiful farm. I should be doing some yard work myself. I've got mower blades to sharpen. I got mower blades to take off the Gravely and the Johnny and sharpen. And the little Honda I got, oh, this is the right road. And the Honda I got to take that off too. But I'd rather ride. It's going to rain next week, so all I get is a little, I mean, I get some time in the barn, but I can do that with a sweatshirt on. I have been working in the barn. You guys don't know this, but on my off days, I'm going to catch up to that farm equipment. Let's see what happens here. Definitely catching him. Ah, he turned off. Dang it.
To like, share and subscribe, click the logo to the left.